Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and today we're diving into something exciting. Things girls do that make guys completely obsessed. And no, I'm not talking about the usual love yourself, have a life advice. We're talking about real things you can do that make a guy think about you 24/7, crave your attention, and feel totally hooked. So, let's get into 8 unexpected things that make guys obsessed with you. 1. The way you fix yourself in front of him. Ever noticed how guys stare when you adjust your hair, fix your lipstick, or stretch your arms casually? There's something about these natural, unintentional moments that make them completely zoned in on you. It's not about being overly perfect. It's those small, feminine movements that catch their attention. Next time, when you're fixing your hair or tucking it behind your ear, do it a little slower. Trust me, he'll notice. 2. Playfully mimicking his habits. This is an instant psychological trick that makes a guy feel closer to you without even realizing why. If he laughs a certain way, drinks his coffee in a specific style, or uses certain words often, copy him subtly. Not in a way that seems forced, but in a way that makes him feel like, whoa, we're so in sync. It creates a subconscious connection and makes him see you as his person. 3. The accidental soft touches. Guys love physical touch, but the key is making it feel unintentional. When you're laughing, lightly touch his arm for just a second. If you're walking together, let your fingers graze his for a moment. While talking, fix a tiny piece of lint on his shirt or tap his shoulder lightly. These small touches ignite something deep in a guy's mind. It feels intimate but innocent, and he'll start craving more of your presence. 4. The look and look away, eye contact. We all know eye contact is powerful, but do you know how to use it to make him obsessed? Instead of just staring at him, do the look, hold, look away technique. Look at him for a couple of seconds longer than usual, then look away like nothing happened. Next time you glance back, add a small, knowing smirk. This will make him overthink what's going on in your head. And when a guy starts overanalyzing you, you already have him hooked. 5. Whispering when you talk. This is one of the most underrated tricks ever. If you want to make a guy lean in, focus only on you, and feel pulled into your presence, lower your voice just a little. You don't have to talk in a full-on whisper, but when you say something interesting, soften your tone and let him come closer to hear you. The closer he gets, the more he feels this intimate pull toward you. 6. The unexpected compliment that feels personal. Forget the basic, you look good compliment. If you want a guy to remember your words forever, compliment something he doesn't hear every day. You have such a nice voice, I could listen to you talk forever. I love the way your mind works. It's so different from most people. You always make me feel safe. It's kinda addictive. These hit differently because they feel personal and rare. And when a compliment feels rare, he'll keep thinking about it. 7. Giving him a nickname that no one else uses. If you call him by a name that's just for the two of you, it creates a sense of belonging. If his name is Alex, call him A in a playful way. If he's always joking, call him Troublemaker. If he works out, call him Muscles. Every time you use this name, it triggers a bond. And before he even realizes it, he's waiting to hear you say it again. 8. Walking away first in a conversation. If you're always the last one to say goodbye, keep talking or wait for him to leave. Switch it up. Instead, the next time you're chatting, leave first while the energy is still exciting. Say something like, "All right, I gotta go, but this was fun. Talk soon." Then smile and walk away before he expects it. Why does this work? Because it makes him feel like he wants more. The moment a guy feels like a girl isn't 100% predictable, she becomes mysterious, intriguing, and unforgettable. Making a guy obsessed isn't about changing who you are. It's about understanding what naturally pulls him in. When you do these small but powerful things, he won't just like you. He'll feel drawn to you in a way he can't explain. So, which one of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. See you in the next one.